So are you looking for an easy way to exfoliate your skin? Today we're all about DIYs for sugar scrubs. So stick around, let's check it out. With Holistic Transformations, also known as Jolly. Here today to share a really easy DIY on a scrub that you can make for a gift or for yourself. So let's get right into it. I want to dedicate this video to my cousin Sajine, who suggested that I make this easy, really simple video on sugar scrubs. And what a great idea. So there are some simple steps to take to sugar scrubs. So why use a sugar scrub? Our skin gets dry. It just does during the winter times, all year, but specifically during the winter time. And a sugar scrub is an easy way to exfoliate and get rid of the dead skin so that the fresh new skin, soft, glowy skin can come through. So some simple things that you can do, some simple steps that you can take. So let's talk about really quickly some contraindications. What are contraindications? So contraindications simply means that a person has a condition that they cannot use this treatment. So for example, a diabetic should not use sugar scrubs on their skin. Someone who has diabetes should not use sugar scrubs. Perhaps they could use a salt scrub. So you can use the exact same recipe and just exchange it out for salt. So another treatment instead of sugar scrubs are a coffee scrub. Instead of sugar, you use coffee grounds. So if someone has diabetes, they should not use sugar. If someone has hypertension, they should not use salt. So a coffee scrub is a great alternative. If you'd like for me to show a demo, a tutorial on making coffee scrubs, just drop a comment in the comment box below. So I purchased some items from Amazon and I will put the items in the description box below. I got my box of jars, my box of mason jars from Verona's, and I also got some oil, jojoba oil from Amazon. Sugar scrub, then you can use turbinado sugar. It's a coarser grain. If you want something finer for like a lip scrub, then you can use brown sugar. That's really great for a finer scrub. But a regular white sugar is a great consistency for a body scrub. That's somebody that doesn't have sensitive skin. You can use any essential oil that you choose. I particularly like Citrus Fresh, as you may know if you're a regular viewer of our videos. I am a big fan of Citrus Fresh, and I also used lavender and peppermint. Citrus Fresh is Young Living's blend, and it has different like mandarin, tangerine, orange, lemon. So I love that blend, so I use that. Thank you for taking the time checking out this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We're looking forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care of yourselves. Be well.